Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to the online classes of maths. This is the second video of the chapter 6 integers, and in the last turn I have taught you about the conceptual part before exercise 6.1. So today I am going to solve exercise 6.1. So now let's study. So now students, the first question of exercise 6.1 is write the opposite of the following. So the first part is gain of rupees 600. So opposite is loss of rupees 600. This is the first part. Opposite of gain is loss. And the second part, decrease in weight. So opposite of decrease is increase. Increase in weight. Now the third part is 150 meter below sea level. So below, opposite of below is above. 120 meter above sea level. And now the last part of the question 1, 50 kilometer south. So opposite of south is north. So 50 kilometer north. Now the second question, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Solution number 2. So the first part, a deposit of rupees 500. A deposit of rupees 500. So if you are depositing a thing, depositing your money, it means it is positive. Plus 500, because a deposit of rupees 500, it means plus 500, it is deposited in your account. Now the second one, withdrawal of rupees 600. Withdrawal means negative. So answer will be minus 600. And the third part, 3 degrees Celsius below freezing point. So the answer, 3 degrees Celsius below freezing point, it means minus 3 degree Celsius. Below is indicating for negative sign. Now the fourth part is saying an aeroplane is flying at a height 1500 meters above the sea level. So you are considering sea level as 0. So it is above the sea level means plus, positive. So plus 1500 meters. This is the answer. These are all parts of question 2, and these are the all parts of question number 1. Now the third question, represent the following numbers on a number line. So first of all we need to draw number line. So now I am drawing a number line here. So students, this is the number line. This is 0 in the middle. These are the positive numbers and these are the negative numbers. And now I am going to solve the all parts of question number 3. The first part is saying represent. The first part is plus 7. So all these numbers on the right side of 0 are positive numbers and all the numbers on the left side of 0 is negative number. So it is saying plus 7 means positive, plus 7. So this, indicate this. This is plus 7. You just have to represent. Now the second part is minus 8. Minus 8. You can see this is minus 8. So this is minus 8. Now the third part is minus 3. Look at this, negative numbers, minus 3. Minus 3. And the fourth part is plus 10. You can see all these numbers are positive. So plus 10. So this number. Plus 10. And the last part, fifth part, minus 5. You can see all these numbers negative. This is minus 5. Now all the numbers I have indicated here according to the question. So this is solution of question number 3. Now the fourth question. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So now the solution. Solution 4. First part, question is 3,8. So it is very clear and you are knowing this, that on the number line positive numbers are in like this order, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5, like this. So answer will be 8 is right of 3. 8 is to the right of 3. Now the second part of the question, minus 2 minus 7 for this pair. So you are knowing already this, that minus starts from right to left. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this, and minus 7. So minus 2 is to the right of minus 7. Minus 2 is to the right of minus 7. Now the third part, minus 15 comma 8. Minus 15 comma 8. So positive number is always right side on by the all, is to the right of all negative numbers. So 8 is minus 15. Now similarly you can solve the rest of the two parts of this question, fourth part and fifth part. Now the fifth question, first part, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 6. So 4 integers. So now minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. That's it. Now the second part of the question, write 4 negative integers less than minus 5. Minus 5 is here on the number line. It is like 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and all the numbers right side are supposed to be greater than the left side number. So write 4 negative integers less than minus 5 means minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, like this. All these numbers are less than minus 5. So minus less than minus 5, 4 integers. So I am taking minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 6. I can take minus 9 also. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 and minus 6. All these 4 integers are less than minus 5. You can take minus 10, minus 11, minus 11, 12, 13, 14 and like that. So many numbers are there. You can choose any of the number. You have lots of numbers less than minus 5. Now the sixth question, fill in the blanks. First question. The greatest negative integer is dash. We all are knowing the greatest number before 0 is negative minus 1, and minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. So answer is minus 1. If we move 4 numbers to right of minus 1, we will reach at dash. So if this is a number line 0, 1, this is the number line. All these numbers are positive numbers on the right side of 0, and all these numbers on the left side of 0 is negative numbers. Now the question is, if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, moving 4 to the right of minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yani this number 3. So the answer will be 3. Answer is 3. Now the third part of the question. If we move 6 numbers to the left of 4, 6 numbers to the left of 4. Where is 4? This is 4. This is 4. And what is the question? If we move 6 numbers to the left of 4. Left of 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number. This is what? Minus 2. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 2. Now the fourth part of question number 6. If we move 9 numbers to the right of minus 3. To the right of minus 3. Where is minus 3? This is minus 3. This is minus 3. And the question is saying if we move 9 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number is 6. So the answer of fourth part is 6. Now the seventh question number 7. Seventh question. For the following statements, write true or false. If a statement is false, correct it. So now the first part of the question. First part of question 7. Minus 5 is to right of minus 10. So you can see here, this is minus 10, this is minus 10, this is minus 5. And minus 5 is on the right of minus 10. So it is true. So there is no need to do any changes in the statement. Now the second part of the question. Minus 9 is greater than minus 8. This is minus 9. This one is minus 9. And this is minus 8. So the question is saying minus 9 is greater than minus 8. No students, minus 9 is less than minus 8. The number on the right side will be greater. So this is the false. First of all, this is false and I am going to correct it. So the statement is minus 9 is greater than minus 8 and the correct statement is minus 9 is smaller than minus 8. Okay. Now the third part. The greatest negative integer is minus 1. Yes. This is absolutely true. The greatest negative integer is minus 1. Yes, students, this is the minus 1. Now the fourth part of the question. Minus 6 is less than minus 5. Yes, this is minus 6. This is minus 6 and this is minus 5 and number on the right side is greater. So minus 5 is greater and minus 6 is smaller. So minus 6 is less than minus 5. Yes, this is true. Draw a number line and answer the following. So the first part, which number will we reach if we move 3 numbers to the right of minus 1? So first of all, I am going to draw a number line. This is a number line. So which number will we reach if we move 3 numbers to the right of minus 1? This is minus 1. And if we move 3 numbers to the right of minus 1, 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So we are reaching here and this is 2. This is 2. So the answer is 2. The answer of first part is true. Now the next part of the question, second part. If we are at minus 5 on the number line. So I'm again drawing a number line. Every time you have to draw a number line because the question is saying draw a number line and then find the answer. Okay, so if we are at minus 5, if you are here, if we are at minus 5 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 9? Minus 9, so minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. In which direction? Left direction. Now the third part of the question, the third part is saying which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the left of -3. So I'm drawing another number line. And the question is saying which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the left of -3. This is -3, left of -3. 4 numbers to the left of -3. 4 numbers to the left of -3. So I am starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number. And what is this number? -7. So your answer will be -7. Now the fourth part. If we are at -7 on the number line. So I am going to draw a number line here like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. So if we are at -7 here, if you are here at -7 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1? This is -1. So from here to there, you have to reach from here to here. So in which direction? This direction. And what is this direction? This is right. Right direction. So that's it for today's class, students. I hope you all are understanding and enjoying my videos. So do watch my next video, the third part of integers. Till then, take care, stay safe at home, and goodbye.